classical music on a viola, the way the viola is meant to be played. Hello again, this is Stephen Smith, the Viola Guy. Today I want to address some vicious rumors going around about the viola. Believe it or not, some people are saying that the viola can play other kinds of music besides classical. Well, I'm here to dispel any such nonsense. The viola is for classical music and only classical music. For example, do you really think the viola can play rock? No way. As you can see, rock music cannot be played on a viola. Please. It's just impossible. How about jazz on a viola? Give me a break. Seriously? Jazz on a viola? Forget it. Then there are those who insist that blues can be played on a viola. Yeah, right. Blues on a viola, come on, it can't be done. And incredibly, some misinformed folks think that the viola is capable of playing country music, as if. Country music on a viola? You wish. Leave that to the fiddles. Well, that's it for today. I hope I've shown you that the only kind of music the viola can play is classical music. Thanks for watching. This is the Viola Guy saying, see you next time.